Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters who wear cat heads and steal my video content and titles. All right. This is Burgh unboxing, but first I want to tell you how I feel today. I woke up today with my throat still sore, my sore, my eyes burning, dry cough, clearing my throat, and blowing my nose, and headaches. They keep radiating from the spot where I hit my head last month. So I don't feel really sick. Oh, and I have a slight temperature. I keep feeling hot up here. So it was really cold here last night. And hit my head a second time on the stupid milk crate. Not hard. More of an annoyance. But I got to watch out for that damn thing. It could kill me. It's dangerous with those paranormal books in there. So no call today as of yet from the doctor. They said they will call me within 1 to 4 days. They said if I do test positive, I have to stay in. The doctor liked that I fed the kitties. She said, and thank you for feeding the kitties. She said, you can go out and feed your kitties, but you have to wear a mask and gloves. So, they gave me masks and gloves. All right, this is what came in the Amazon today, and it's very, very weird. By the way, a woman gave birth in a Walmart in the toilet tissue section. They should give her toilet paper for life for free. And California is warning people not to throw wipes and pieces of clothing down the toilet. So in that vein, we have here, and the instructions are in English, but they're also in Greek. This is compressed towel. Original Magic Minis Napkin Perfect Tissue. And what you do with this is by the way, I've been washing my hands, and I did a thing to help get rid of the flies, and they are almost gone. I did something very ingenious, and I'll show that to you later. All right, I've opened it up, and there are a handful. There's a whole bag of these, and a kind of plop plop fizz fizz. you take these things and you open them up, and don't slide on the floor, bag. Be nice, be a good bag, not a bad bag. I did go out to feed the kitties. I had to run the heater all night. It was that cold. It was icy cold out yesterday. So you take this and you cut it open. I'm trying to not use my teeth anymore. It's not a conscious thing. I've been doing it since I was a child. Got me into trouble once. All right. So here you have the little thing of toilet paper. And they don't tell you what to do with this. You're supposed to just drop it in water. So like it's an Alka-Seltzer tablet, which I can't take. Makes me sick to my stomach. Drop it in water. It does not fizz, but it expands. And I don't know how long you leave it in there. Looks like something from a science fiction movie. And what you do is you unfold this thing. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Oh, it's more like a gauze. And it's not, I don't think it's really toilet paper. I think it's some kind of paper gauze. And it's drippy. And anyway, it looks like it might separate, but I'm having trouble with it. And then what you're supposed to do, as I understand, is separate this thing. There we go. And there it is. It's one giant sheet of toilet paper, one step for mankind. And this has the consistency of a paper gauze, and then you're supposed to dry it out and then use it. So you have one sheet of toilet paper tablets, and it says on the package, "Do not eat." So I will put this. I think I better put this in the bathroom. Well, I'll put this here for now, and let it dry out, and I'll let you know what happens. I don't know how long it's going to take to dry. This is certainly one of the oddest things I've ever gotten. Thank you, I think, for the stuff. And I've been cutting up the cocktail napkins into squares for using. And so this says here on the back, avoid direct sunlight and humidity. You would think you'd want to dry it out with sunlight. Anyway, this is the tag they give me at the hospital. Store in a cool and dry place. Keep out of the reach of children. Do not eat. And then all the rest of the instructions are in Greek. So, I don't know. And there are 100 of these. I got 100 sheets of wet toilet paper. So, we will see what happens. All right. Very odd stuff to send, but thank you, I think, for this. All right, I am going to go back to sleep. I've been sleeping a lot, and then I'll go out and feed the kitties and scuttle back inside to my fortress. I did 2 racks of dishes yesterday. I've got to hope I have another tray table because I got to get them off my cutting board. And I'll show you in a minute what I did with the kitchen to kill off the flies. Pouring apple cider vinegar into a bottle doesn't work. Putting it in open bowls works with sugar. And I'm running out of Splenda. And $35 in gift cards sent to me never got here. So I don't know what happened to that. All right. That's it for this one. They think I have a mild respiratory infection, and I just watched a story on Fox News that apparently you develop no real immunity to the coronavirus because it's one of 4 coronaviruses that do things like cause the common cold. And they said even the common cold, you might get an immunity for a year, and that's it. It's not a lifetime immunity, which kind of sucks. So maybe they can figure that out. They tested one version on rhesus monkeys, and they developed an immunity, but none of us are rhesus monkeys or Reese's peanut butter cup monkeys. So that was kind of disheartening. And they said there's a chance that the coronavirus might be with all of us for years, which is terrible. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay warm and dry, stay cool and dry, and stay safe. And I'll catch you next time, whenever that is. Bye-bye for now.